Oh, hey, what's going on? How you doing? It's been a minute, right? In the studio. Give y'all a little update. Dipset Radio 66 Raw, Thursdays at 8. Or you can go, this is where y'all can go to. If y'all want to see me live in person, Monday nights at midnight on, you go to www.stickam.com/919live. This video goes Dipset, you see it right there and all stuff. Shout out to Corey Guns, that was the last person we interviewed. Me and Duke the God, Murphy, DWI, shout out to them. Y'all don't know, yeah, this is my voice. Shout out to Chris, big fan, I like that. And my name is Aaron Hole on it, or A-Hole. But right now I'm taking the form of Schizo, because he's a fuckface and I don't want to show my real face. Anyway, and then I got an album. The album's called Fuck Loose, or Fuck Love. For those who know Fuck Love, I mean, matter of fact, I want to know what y'all think. I want y'all to send me like a video of y'all telling me what does fuck love mean to you. Does it mean fucking? Does it mean loving? What does it mean to you? The 10 best videos I will personally invite to my listening party, September 29th, exclusive. You won't even know where it's at. I'm not even doing it in the club. It's gonna be crazy. And 10 people will be at this industry star-studded event, September 29th. So send me a video. Yeah, this is like a contest. Yes. And I need that by like September 25th. If I get that, I'll look at it. I'll pick my 10 favorite. Tell them where to meet me. They will meet me, and I will walk in with them. All right. Fuck Loose. You gonna see a lot about that. XM Radio 66 Raw. Cam album. Crime Page. Got some joints on it. Bottom of the hole. Y'all here. I got some video for y'all too. I ain't forget about y'all Frank TV people when I got y'all. I'm about to move to current.com though. You know, I want to be on TV, man. And that's about it, man. How y'all doing, man? It's been a minute. I got some footage though. But I gotta do this first. Got it down. So for the dancers, no name in the club, no ID, but she stays in the club. No ID, but she. I just want to enjoy the album. Young Texas Spark Dog and me. But my favorite part is when this part comes in. Got the love. I know a lot of y'all girls be in the club and just like